Sunday in Cooperstown. Mike Piazza and Ken Griffey Jr. will be celebrated and inducted officially into the Baseball Hall of Fame. And can't think of two more deserving candidates.
Terrific careers, both of them. Ken Griffey Jr. 1,800 RBIs. Jeez.
Mike, of course, the greatest home run hitting catcher in history. And the second player to go in with the Mets insignia on his cap.
How about that? All those years. So the Mets are no longer, our generation can no longer look at the Mets as the baby Mets. Been around a long time.
It's their 55th season.
Yeah.